For true fans of two-stroke engines, the Honda CRF is not just a bike, it's a legend. Known for its raw power, resonant signature sound, and unparalleled riding sensation, the CRF became an icon that is hard to forget. However, over time, the bike has become increasingly rare and is just a memory for many of its lovers. Now, Tomasin Racing is reviving that dream with a revolutionary twist. The 2025 Honda CRF 450 with T500 Engine Kit. This is no mere homage, but a true evolution. The T500 transforms the CRF 450R by replacing the 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine with a fierce 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke. Not only that, it brings advanced features rarely found in two-stroke engines, such as an electric starter and fuel injection system. Honda's signature twin-spar aluminum frame is retained, ensuring precise handling and legendary toughness. However, there are a series of updates that make the T500 even more special, such as the custom engine mounts for optimal installation, a 14-tooth sprocket tuned for maximum torque, Tomasin Racing's signature red cylinder head, electric water pump, and high-performance cooling system. Factory exhaust for more explosive power, 1.7-gallon titanium tank from the CRF 450R, still using premix. On the technology front, the T500 is no less advanced. The bike features 5 ECU modes, launch control, and traction control, all accessible through Honda's built-in control module, complete with dedicated buttons for quick adjustments. In terms of aesthetics, the design stays true to Honda's racing DNA. The T500's exclusive graphics come in a combination of red, white, and blue with subtle Italian flag accents. In addition, all bodywork is compatible with CRF 2025 models, making it easy to modify to taste. With all these innovations, the T500 is ready to hit the track at a promotional price of €16,500 plus VAT, excluding shipping. A legend revived, more ferocious, more modern, and more ready to dominate.